So it's time for us to look at our electricals for the build project, and we need very quality electrical cables to rewire the whole house probably, or check to see if we can get some very quality materials. And I'm sure you probably also are looking for where to get very quality materials. I found Fenice Metal, Fenice Metal Company right here, and I decided to pay them a visit and see exactly the kind of cables that they have, whether they're quality, whether they are great, whether they can tell us what good quality cables are and what bad quality cables are. So head on down with me to Fenice Metal, and my man Fred is actually our project supervisor. Good to see you, Fred. How are you? Nice. We're really happy to be here today, and we get to see a lot of the work that you guys are doing. Are you ready to show us around?
I'm always ready.
Let's go check it out, yeah?
Yes, sir.
All right.
As you see, this is the 2.5
Okay, 2.5.
products, and these are the Sun Kablo. These are the multi cables.
Okay.
This one's the multi cable, the 1.5 by 2C, 1.5 by 3Cs. This 1.5 by 2.
Okay.
1.5 by 3. It's all been arranged.
Yeah.
So these are where all is. And we have the 2.5, 4mm to 6mm.
Yeah.
Yes, where we kept them.
Okay.
So yes, where all the cables are being kept.
All right.
It's been too many, but this year a whole lot of goods have gone.
Yeah.
So now that we are still restocking,
Means you are making more money.
Yeah, we are making more money for the company. So we are restocking the store now.
All right. Okay. All right, Fred. So what? This is our factory. Is that the production?
Yes, here where the whole production goes place.
Okay.
So here we have our finished product that already is almost been packed to be sent to markets.
Yeah.
So we have the 16 over here, and we have the multi cable that is being packaged. Yes.
This is, what do you call this?
This one is the multi cable.
Multi cable.
Yes,
And then what about these ones?
This one is counted 16 mm.
It's 16
Yes,
mm.
16 mm.
What are these ones used for?
This one are most used for meters and high tension cables, and for do high tension cables, and that's where these cables are being
These
used.
ones are smaller.
Yeah, this one they are all the same.
They are the same?
Yeah, these are the same. We have this all the 16 mm. That's
But I think this is a bit smaller, isn't it?
Yeah, this is the little one that we have.
What do you call
this
that?
1.5 mm.
1.5 mm.
Yeah, this 1.5
And what do we
mm.
use this one for?
This one is used for lightning. Mostly
So lights.
Yeah,
and
domestic
those
lighting.
things. Yes. Okay. I see. And these are flexible cables.
Yeah, these are
How
flexible.
flexible? Can I see how flexible it is?
Yes, sir, you can see, sir.
How do I do that?
We need to just move it forward.
Need to cut it out
Yes,
or
sir.
something?
Yeah, we need to bring it out. How flexible is this?
Okay.
We can just,
So
yes.
okay. Wow. There's a stranded wire.
Yeah, so we can maybe peel it for you to say if it's stranded for you.
Okay, let's see. Let's see that. Oh, okay. I see. This is copper.
Yeah, that's
Copper.
yes.
Okay. All right. Cool. That's nice. I see work is going on.
Yes, sir.
You produce a lot in a day.
Yes, sir, we produce a lot in a day. Almost 1,000 poles in a day.
Wow.
A machine produces almost like 2,000 poles
Wow.
being produced in a day.
In a day.
In a day.
Wow. Impressive. Good job.
Thank you, sir.
So what do we have here?
We have the copper scrap that we buy in from a source, a reliable source that comes in to bring. So here's where we do buy the scraps, and here's where the process starts.
So you buy scraps.
Yes, copper
And
scrap.
where do you buy from?
They buy from a company brings it. That's also different.
And are these the scraps that we see a lot of these guys holding these barrows and picking up scraps and all of that? Are these the scraps that you put together to get what you have?
Yes, some of them are so bad. The company that brings it in, so it's not that guy that brings it in.
Yeah, I know they don't bring it in, but it's from people like
from
that.
People like that, but we have a source, a company that brought in the car.
Okay. The people on the streets give it to that company.
Yes.
Then the company is now your supplier.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I get that. Wow. So this is where it all starts from.
Yes, yes.
And then what do you do? You bring them together.
You bring them, and they bail it. Yes, the bailing machine.
Okay,
so
okay.
They need to put it in a bale so that it can compact. So that where it's going to cook, it can where they always pack in the machine so that.
Yeah.
But then they need to pack it well.
Okay.
So that it can be in the oven, so that the oven can compact it well.
Okay.
So yeah, after this, they need to compact it.
Right.
To compress it.
Okay. So we're inside the laboratory here at Fenice Metal where the Sun Kablo cables are made. I needed to understand, the processes, how they go about, making these very amazing copper wires, and even how they test for the quality of the cables. And my man Iwara is back here to tell us a bit more about. So what happens in this laboratory?
Here in the lab, we do most of the testings from the drawing to the finished cables.
Okay.
We test the cables from every process till the end.
Okay.
So first of all, in the lab, we are supposed to have a certain degree temperature in the lab. The lab needs to be cold.
Yes, it's pretty cold in here.
In order for us to have a very good testing result.
Okay.
So if the place is hot, it will affect the test result. So that's why it's always advisable that the temperature remains at 20 degrees. That's how it should be. So it's very cold. Now, first of all, I'm going to also explain how these machines and what they are being used for. And also, if you can see very well on the wall, we have our certificates given to us by GSA, National Authorities.
Right.
The last time we were at the site, I talked about that every cable company has a standard, a research standard given to them by GSA. So this is what I was talking about. These are our research standards.
Okay.
So now from here, when we are testing our cable, our standard wire, this machine is used for testing stranded wires of our cables. Okay. Now this here is a stranded wire. This sample is stranded wire. Now when testing, we make sure we observe the result given to us by this machine and the one we have over here. Now if it doesn't meet the requirement given to us by GSA, we will declare it not okay.
Okay.
And I'm going to report back to the production team.
Okay.
So that they will know how to work on it very well.
Yeah.
This other machine here is also a resistance machine.
A resistance machine.
It's used for testing the resistance of the copper rod.
Okay.
So let me quickly give you the sample of what I'm talking about. This is a copper rod.
Ah, right.
Yeah, this is a copper rod.
Okay.
So when we are testing it here, we always go for 1 meters. That'll fit into the machine very well.
Okay.
Yes,
okay.
This is copper rod.
Okay, so what do we have here? What machine is this?
Okay.
What is this for?
These machines are being used for testing the elongations of our cables.
Elongation?
Of our cables.
What is elongation?
Elongation, like the strength. You're checking the strength. So we stretch it to see how strong it is.
Okay, okay.
So if you can see, we have two different type of machines here, but they do the same thing.
Yeah.
But it tests for different diameters.
Okay.
Different diameters. So this one over, you can see very well. You have the smaller ones here.
Yeah.
Smaller cables here.
Yeah.
While that one, you can see very well that we have the bigger one here.
Okay.
So this one tests from 0 to 9 to 99.
Okay.
While this one tests from 1,000 and above.
Ah.
Yes. So that's why we test.
So what do you do? Show me how you do that.
Okay. Now what she's doing right now is she's about testing the elongation of this stranded wire.
Okay.
So this is what was this? Is this for system or for solid? Okay. This what we have here is solid.
Okay.
1.5 solid. So
Yeah.
what we do is we test the elongation of this cable to see how.
So you're supposed to stretch it to see how long it will take for it to break.
To break, yes.
Ah.
So that's what we do here.
So if it breaks fast, then it means it's not quality.
Yes, it's not good.
Ah.
So now, if while testing, maybe it breaks very fast, it shows that it's not good. The reason why we need to make it, because we have a percentage for it.
Okay.
Maybe in case it gets to a place where you need to tension to drag.
Yeah.
Now it will also tension to meet whatever requirement you want.
Okay.
But if by percent of if it's not good, it breaks very fast, and then it's on the outside. When there's a little force acting on it, it will break inside, and it's not good for our cables.
All right.
So that's what we do.
So let me see how it's done. How did you do that?
So when we finish putting this in here, we check the diameter.
Okay.
From there we put it in the system.
Okay.
Then from there we'll run the test. And the machine will start working. Then we should do servicing.
Okay. All right.
So do it. Yes. So in the system too, you also need to impute the degree, the temperature, and also the humidity too in the system. You can see very well. It will be going down gradually. It will be going down.
Yeah.
Yeah. These are the sensors.
Okay.
So it will be going down gradually.
Okay. And I can see the tension in there.
Yes.
I can see the tension in there. I see stretching it.
It's stretching it there. You can see. Initially, this one was here. Look at it.
Yeah, it's gone real down.
Yes.
So are we going to see snap?
Yeah, it will break. When you break it, you stop. Then we'll take it back. Then we'll measure the elongation.
Wow. And it's still going and it's still not broken.
Yes.
Wow. See how far it's gone.
Yes. It shows that it's very strong and okay.
Wow.
Yes.
Wow. Sun Kablo Cables. I'm impressed. I'm really impressed. I can see the thing pulling and it's still not broken.
Yes.
That's how strong the cables are.
Yes.
Ah, finally.
You can see the distance from
Wow.
how long it is.
Yeah. Great.
Take it back.